Logistics supply chain management topic. Need for logistic management. What is logistic management? Rivers and supply chain communities. Meaning of logistic management. Logistic management is the process of planning, implementing and controlling the efficient and effective flow and store of goods, services, related information from point of origin to the point of consumption for the purpose of conforming to the customer requirements. Need for logistic management boost business profitability. It has ability to improve the operational excellence which is necessary to grow and expand your business. Managing logistics is extremely crucial as it helps the organization to gain deep insight of the supply chain. This also increases the order fulfillment rate and enables the strong business outcomes. Provide the value to customers by implementing the latest technology. Innovation can be improved the productivity and profitability of the operations. Improve customer experience. Track the different aspects of the supply chain is essential of the logistic process. It allows companies to communicate effectively with customers and provide the fast and quality service to them. And smooth logistic operation create immense value to the customers, which is turns to build a brand reputation, providing better customer services. It's a key to success for the business. Reduced operational cost. Logistic management leads to transparency and visibility in the operation. This tends to improve overall efficiency of the business as provide the routine optimization, enhance on-time delivery and reduce the fuel cost. It has the important element to keep our expense lower, analyze, monitor real-time data. Also, effective logistic management leads to supply chain transparency, which is for business optimizes. Ensure seamless delivery. Professional organization logistics tends to deliver the right product at the right time in the moderate world. Delivery process are continuously evaluating as a fast and safe shipping adds value to the customer experience. Logistic management focus on delivering the product to a customer on time or ahead of schedule. Therefore, on-time delivery is primary focus of well-organized management. Success of supply chain. Logistic management deals with the numerous aspects of supply chain as a product, function, material handling, distribution. So, monitoring this network with the supply chain is a major component of efficient function of the basis operation. Moreover, a success supply chain helps to boost the business value addition, organization gain and clear advantage over the competitions. Improve warehouse management. When the optimize the logistic activity allows you to control and monitor the warehouse operations, centralized and complex process. Developing warehouse inventory plans is also available for the businesses to operate efficient. Warehouse management activity involves in storage and material handling of the goods. Enhance visibility. Managing your logistics is important for business growth as it plays a major role in improving connectivity, interoperability and visibility of operation. You can analyze every stage of supply chain and real gathering information enables the business to control and clear cost. Intellectual route planning, risk management, scalability. Managing and monitoring and distributing network is necessary to meet the industry growth demand. Software has the ability to create the business more stable to quick response to describes. Therefore, emerging fatigue get software focus on demand range. Logistic expansion, playability, optimize the logistic planning activity and identify emerging trends can also enhance the accuracy of operation. Conclusion. Effective logistic management is essential for optimized supply chain, efficient reducing cost, ensuring timely delivery of goods. It enhances overall facility, minimize disruption and plays a crucial role in meeting customer experience. Rising sound logistic practice for the business stability to stay competitive and responsive in today's dynamic and global market. Thank you.